Let's move Photoshop over to the left a little bit. Click and drag to select the remaining iterations, and then drag them into Photoshop and drop them. They're all going to be on top of each other. So if you turn off the eye, you'll see each one. I'm going to open up Photoshop a little bit bigger now that I have the images in there. And I'm going to put my images in order. I'll put 6 on the bottom, 5 over top of that, 4 over top of that, 3 over top of that. I'm going to click on Untitled 2 and drag it up, and then click on Untitled 3 and drag it over, giving the same amount of space on the left here where the border is in between each one of these images to give a little space between the designs when the client looks at this. Click on Untitled 4, drag it over here to the left, Untitled 5, drag it down, and Untitled 6, drag it over to the right. Let's get the crop tool, and we're going to crop up a little bit and try to even out the border. Press return. Save this as a PSD, Command S. You can save it on your desktop as your last name underscore your first name underscore 3.3 and press save. Click OK. Now you don't want to upload the PSD. The PSD is the editable file. We want you to submit a PNG or a JPEG. So do a File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, and we'll put that on your desktop as well. Press save. Now you have a PSD and a PNG. What you want to do is you want to select all of your work, right click, and click on New Folder, and we'll write 3.3. And this will be your 3.3 folder for the class, and you can take this folder and put it inside of your class folder. For this assignment, we want you to submit the JPEG or PNG that you create.